I was gonna talk to Isabelle, but I know that Tom Nook is dead. He is not in here. I want to know if we're still at 3 stars. 3 star, okay. I do want to expected that. Excuse me? No, you're not, Avery. You are not leaving my island. You are staying here forever, dude. Anyways, we're gonna head over to the pier because a hotel opened up. And I had nothing better to do, and I can get decorations, more decorations out of this. Oh, we're gonna listen to the this Yap session first. Alright, who's moving in? Who are you, bro? Well, welcome to the East Hotel, Drake. Yeah, this is a hotel. This is a hotel. Like, what else would it be, Drake? Sorry, I got a little mad. So, like, about the payments. I'm looking forward to getting the payment, please. 200 tickets. Okay. That's good. I can maybe buy some furniture I can place outside with that. Because we need more decorations. A suitcase. And a... That's it. That's all. That's great. That's great. That's fantastic, Grams. Let's work on room number 2. We will go for the Japanese room. Yep, let's go. Let's head on up and put my artistic decorating skills to the test because I am amazing at it. Yeah. I know. It is the next day. We are 9 hours and 18 minutes in. And we have a tourist! What's up, bro? Name's Kabuki. Nice to meet you, bro. Glad to have you on the East. Yeah, The East is great. But yes, we are about 9 hours and 18 minutes in. And things are going just fine. Just fine. We're just trying to rack up points now. And getting a bunch of decorations. Did it say 9 bells? I don't know why I earned 9 bells, but okay. We are going to be decorating the island some more with the furniture we bought yesterday. Because Isabelle wants this island decorated from head to toe. That means the whole island, if you didn't know that. Like, Mr. Flamingo will go right outside my house. He looks perfect there, doesn't he? Okay, what's up, guys? My phone's ringing. I earned miles. What I get? Active island resident. It's in 20 days? That's crazy. That's crazy. We are 9 hours and 37 minutes in. We need to get to work on getting a 4-star island and some stars. I can hear Cranston's footsteps. Yo, Cranston! You're itchy? You have a flea on you? Don't mind if I do! Let's go, I caught a flea. The curse is lifted. I cured your curse, Cranston. I can donate that bug now. Flea flicker. It's more Nook miles, let's go. Another point for this challenge. What's the plan? Let's open our presents that we got and packages. I'll put the tissue box outside my house, 'cause why not? And let's go put the fire hydrant over here. Maybe right across from Nook's cranny. I think it's a good spot. Bam. Perfect. Okay. Rowan! What is up, my dude? Let's just go put the couch over here. Up this way. Let's put the couch over here. And we put it here. Right under this tree. You can just sit under the cherry tree. How nice is that? And then we'll put our Lego arcade machine with our other Lego items. I'm trying to push it. Perfect. You fishing? What's up, Mira? Is there a fish in here? Alright, I need pond fish. So maybe we can get lucky and we'll get one. It's a freaking carp. These I don't even know if these are fossils or earth eggs. I am so sick of digging at earth eggs. It's a freaking earth egg. Maybe this one will be a fossil. Please. It's another earth egg. Isn't that just fantastic? Anything else over here? No. Fossil. Earth egg! I really hope they're not both earth eggs. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Last chance. Yes! We got a fossil! Let's freaking go! Let's go! Hopefully it's a fossil that I don't have yet. Yo, fish. Check this out. Oh, too far. There's a butterfly. It's on the grass. I didn't even know they could do that. Anyways. Come on. Got it. It's a bloody ass! Yo, Blathers. Wakey, wakey. What's up? I have a fossil for you. Yes, yes. Please assess this fossil for me, Blathers. A T-Rex skull. Ooh, it's a rare fossil that we don't have. Take the fossil, Blathers. I'm busy. Sorry. Yeah. I know. I do have other stuff. I have your favorite. A flea and a long locust. I know you love bugs, bro. Okay, guys. We're 20 seconds away from hitting 10 hours. We gotta celebrate some. Mira, Tammy. Oh, they're talking. Okay, oh, they're angry. What happened, guys? Don't need to be angry. Don't need to be angry, guys. We're about at 10 hours and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 hours. 10 hours, Tammy. 10 freaking hours, Mira. 10 hours. Let's go. Why are you angry? That Tammy's got a lot of nurturing with that. Oh, I know. Tammy is ridiculous. Freaking stupid Tammy. Don't worry. Wrong thing. I'll give her what for, Mira. Don't worry. Tammy, you need to stop being rude to Mira. There's no reason to be rude to Mira. She did nothing wrong. What's your damage? What kind of insult is that? Oh my gosh, that is actually insane. You're insane. I missed. That's embarrassing. Isabel, did our island hit 4 stars yet? I definitely wasn't beating on our villagers. I swear, Isabel. If you hear that, it's a lie. Island evals. Tell me for. Okay, what? What do we need? What could we possibly need? A second plane? Okay. You feeling better, Mira? Yep, she's feeling better. That's good. Yes, stay angry, you stupid monkeys! Oh, that's not racist. That's not what I meant. Well, I was ignoring that I said that. Damn, they're really letting anyone on this island, aren't they? How many bugs have we caught, guys? We need Nook Miles. We need to catch 15 more bugs. 16 more fish. And we get some more Nook Miles. That is great. I'm sorry.